Hello students, today I am going to start the chapter 5, Algebraic expression, or in my word, algebraic expression. Okay, so I will tell algebraic expression. Okay, you can pronounce in this way also, algebraic expression. Okay, before I going to give the definition of algebraic expression, first I discuss about constants. So what is constant? A symbol having a fixed value. So in short we write a symbol having a fixed value. Okay, is called constants. So what is constant? A symbol which have a fixed value. That means value of this symbol cannot be changed. If this symbol write in your book, in your copy, or in my blackboard, the value of that symbol remains same. For example, 2, 3, 4, 0.4, 5, 111 by 123, all numeral value. So if 2 is written in my board, if 2 is written in your book or in your copy, value does not change. Everywhere the value of this symbol is 2. So this kind of values are called constant. Okay, but variable are opposite of constant. Okay, so variable, that means variable, that means the values may varies. So variables, various variables, various value. So a symbol which can be gives the various value, or which can give various value according to the situation. Okay, if I write that symbol in my blackboard, then its value and that symbol in your book, in some other situation, the value of this symbol may be not equal. Okay, and all variables are denoted by x, y, z. That means all small letter, but generally we use x, y, z, a, b, p, t. Okay, this letter we use more. Okay, variable can be denoted by all small letter, but generally we write x, y, z, a, b. Okay, so variable and constant complete. Next thing is, what is the definition of algebraic expression? Okay, so algebraic expression, in short I write AE. Algebraic expression, that means a combination of variables. Okay, I not given the example of variables. Example, x, y, z. So value I write here. Now I write here two different situation, and value of x is varies according to the situation. For example, 2x plus 5 equal to 11. So what is the value of x? 2x equal to 11 minus 5, or 2x equal to 6, or x equal to 3. In another equation, 3x or 2x minus 2 equal to 8 implies 2x equal to 8 plus 2, or 2x equal to 10, or x equal to 5. Okay, In this situation or in this case, the value of x is 5, but in this case, the value of x is 3. The symbol is same, but in different kind of situation or different case, the value not equal. So this kind of values are called variable. Okay. Next thing, algebraic expression. Definition of algebraic expression. Previously I told, in place of algebraic expression, I say algebraic expression. So what is the definition of algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, that means a combination of, okay, so algebraic expression, that means a combination of constants and variables. So constant and variable connected by mathematical operation. Mathematicals operations. So a combination of constants and variable connected by mathematical operation. Mathematical operation, that means plus, minus, into, divided. So these are the mathematical operation. For example, of algebraic expression is 4x square y plus 4xyz minus 5. Okay, so it is the algebraic example of algebraic expression. So 4xy, so it is combination of 4 into x into x into y. Okay, first term connected with second term by plus, 4 into x into y into z. Third term connected with minus, okay, 4xyz minus 5. So this is the example of algebraic expression. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of term? So here which value connected? These value connected with plus symbol. Okay. So terms. What is the meaning of term? Okay. Term, that means the part of an algebraic expression connected with plus, connected with the operation plus. So for this example, which value connected with the plus? 4x square y, 4xyz and minus 5, because minus 5 can be written as plus of minus 5. Okay, so these are the three terms of this algebraic expression. Okay, 4x square and y is there in first term, but they are not different term, they are single term, because in definition of terms, the part are connected with the operation plus, but 4x square y connected with 4 into x square into y, so connected with into or multiplication, so it is not a term. Okay, so it is one term, two term, three term. Okay, Now, like term and unlike term. So what is like term and what is unlike term? Like term, that means like terms. Okay, so what is the meaning of like term? Like the terms having same variable okay, one more condition is there, with same exponent or same exponent we already done the chapter exponent or power. Exponent, that means power. Okay, for example, like term and unlike term is there. Like term and unlike term. So like term, that means the terms having same variable with same exponent. That means if first term value exponent of x is 1 or power of x is 1, then if second also power, if second term if power also same, then we call the terms are like terms. Okay, I will discuss later about it. Okay, so unlike term, which are unlike term? So otherwise the term is called unlike term. Unlike terms. So no need to give the extra definition. When the terms having same variable with same exponent, then like term. If not, then unlike term. Okay. For example, 4x square y z. 4x y square z. These two, 4 not here, 4 9. So this is these two are like terms? No, because the both term contain x, y, z. Okay, but in first term the power of x is 2, but in second term power of x is not equal to 2. Similar for y. So power not same, but in the condition the terms having same variable with same exponent, but x in both first term and second term the exponent or the powers of x are not equal. So these two are not like term. That means unlike term. Unlike terms. Okay. Like term example of like terms: 4x y z minus 5 x z y 15 x y or y z x. Okay. So in both three terms x y z is there and power are same. Power of x, power of y, power of z is 1 in both three terms. So these are the like terms. And x y z and x z y, the meaning is same, because x y z, that means x into y into z, or x z y, x into z into y, and multiplication is commutative. So no problem in both case. So like term and unlike term complete. Now the one thing, constant term. The terms or a term of a of a term of an algebraic expression which is constant value or having fixed value, fixed fixed value is called constant term. In first example, the value is x square y plus 3xyz plus minus 5. So here having fixed value, or it is not variable, so it is constant term of in the expression. Okay. Next thing is types of algebraic expression. Types. Okay. So there are 4 types: monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, polynomial. Okay. So what is monomial? An algebraic expression containing only one term is called monomial. For example, 4xyz only one term, minus 5x one term, 3x z square one term. So these are the monomial. Okay. Binomial means an algebraic expression containing only two terms. Okay, or containing two terms. An algebraic expression containing two terms is called binomial. For example, 5x plus 2, 3x square yz plus 4xy. So one term, two term, one term, two term. So an algebraic expression containing two terms is called binomial. For trinomial, same. An algebraic expression containing three terms. Quadrinomial, an algebraic expression containing four terms. Example, four xy plus z square minus 5. So 1, 2, 3 terms. It is trinomial. Or minus 5x square yz plus 4xyz plus z, 3 terms, containing 3 terms. So it is trinomial. Quadrinomial containing 4 terms, x plus y plus z plus 2, so containing 4 terms. It is quadrinomial. Polynomial, an algebraic expression containing one or more than one terms. Is called polynomial. But in polynomial, one extra condition is there, and all terms are non-negative. not all terms are. So power of all terms non-negative or power of variable. If you write power of variable, then also okay. So here power of variable are non-negative. So this one also polynomial, this one also polynomial, this one also polynomial, all are the polynomial. But in case of algebraic expression, this kind of expression can may become 2 by x. So we can say that it is an algebraic expression, but we cannot say it is polynomial, because in case of polynomial the power of all variables is non-negative. So what is the power of 2? X to the power minus 1. So power of x is minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. Another example, ax square plus by y square plus z. So here power of y, that means x square by to the power minus 2 plus z. So power of y is minus 2. So power of one variable is negative, but in the definition of polynomial the condition is the power of all variables are non-negative. Okay, so this is not a polynomial. Okay. Next thing, addition of polynomial. Addition and subtraction left for today. In first exercise 1E, only addition and subtraction is there, and in B or C multiplication is there. So one thing I forgot, degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. So what is the degree of a polynomial? Degree, that means highest power of the terms. Okay, so highest power of the terms. First expression I written maybe 3xyz plus minus 5. So what is the power, total power of the variable? So here 2 and y1. So the first term, power of first term is 3 plus 1, and power of third term 0, because in power on exponent we know that we can written as 5 into 1, and 1 means x to the power 0, x or y, z, anything. If power of something is 0, power of something is 0 except 0 to the power 0, not defined, undefined. So power of something is 0, then value is 1, then we can say that 5 into x to the power 0, so power 0. So power of constant term is 0, or degree of constant term, it is binomial. Okay, so what is the power, what is the degree of this binomial, monomial, not binomial, monomial, so only one term, so power is 0, so degree is 0. So power of constant polynomial, that means the polynomial does not contain any variable, is called constant polynomial. Okay, so degree of constant polynomial 0, but degree of this polynomial is, so highest, which one the highest value, these two highest, so highest means 3, so degree of this polynomial is 3, so degree equal to 3. Okay, weather is not good now, it starts raining. Okay, Next thing, addition and subtraction of polynomial. Addition and subtraction of polynomials. Okay. So addition and subtraction we can solve by two methods. One is horizontal method, and another is vertical method. So if the question is add 4x square y minus 5y square z plus 5xy z and 9x square y plus 5xy z minus 2. Okay. So first we connect two algebraic expression 5xyz with the symbol plus 9x square y plus 5xyz minus 2. Okay. So in case of plus, if you not given the bracket, then also okay. But in case of subtraction, if you not given the bracket, then you have more chance to do the math. Math is not correct. Okay. So now first step is addition of and subtraction. First step is we collect the all like polynomial together and numeral with numeral. And second step is add the like terms or subtract the like terms. And third step is write the terms according to ascending or descending order of powers. Okay. It is not necessary, but in answer always the answer written in either ascending or descending order of the power. Okay. So like term 4x square y. So x square y here also. So these two are like term plus 9x square y plus 5 minus 5 y square z. So y square z is not there. So only one term. Next term is 5xyz. Here also plus 5xyz. And numeral comes to only one numeral comes to remain same. Now 4 plus 9, 13x square y minus 5y square z plus 10xyz and minus 2. So it is the result. So what is the step? First step, we write the like term together. So these two like term, these two like term. Okay. Then add or subtract the like term. Then we get the result. So vertical method left. So vertical method. So in case of plus, there is no problem. If we write this value or this value first, no problem. We can write any value in the first row. Okay. So I write here 4x square minus 5y square z plus 5xyz. Okay. Then now we write the like term column wise. Okay. So x square y's column we write x square y's terms. So 9x square y is there. So in x square y's column 9x square y. Second column is y square z, but y square z is not there in second expression. So this place is vacant. Okay, now plus 5xyz. So plus 5xyz and minus 2. Minus 2 is not there previous of plus 5xyz. So extra terms we write at the last. So minus 2 we write at the last, then add the values. So 9 plus 4 13 x square y minus 5 y square z go down because there is no value y square z. 5 plus 5 10 x y z and minus 2 go down. So it is the answer. In this way also we get the same answer. Okay. Now subtraction. So subtraction. So if the values are remain same and question is subtract this value from this value. So we subtract this value and from this value. So we write first this value, and subtraction is not commutative. So commutative, if we change the position, then in this case the value is not equal, because 5 minus 3 equal to 2, but if we change the position, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. The value are not equal. But in case of plus, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, or 5 plus 3 is also 8. So in case of addition there is no problem if we change the value, position of the value. But in case of minus, the values are not equal. Okay. So first we write this value, then this value. In horizontal method, 9x square y plus 5xyz minus 2. In case of minus, we must write the bracket, otherwise the chances of your wrong answer is more. So it is better you write first total value inside the bracket. After that you multiply it, or you remove the bracket by multiplying minus symbol. So minus, if you multiply this minus symbol, then it become, and second term become plus 5xy square z, and third term become minus xyz or 5xyz. Now you can cut these two value because same value with different symbol. That means 5 minus 5 0. So you can cut here these two value, no problem. Now x square y. So like term of this value is this one. So minus 4x square y, and this value left plus 5y square z minus 2. So what is the answer? 5x square y minus plus 5y square z minus 2 is the answer. If we solve by horizontal method, then so horizontal method, first we write this value, because we subtract this value from this value. So this value is first 9x square y plus 5xyz minus 2. So similar, in x square y column we write the like term of x square y, 9x square y. So what 4x square is y is the like term, 4x square y, then 5xyz, or if we take from this expression, then second value is minus 5y square z. Y square z is not there, so we write 5y square z at the last, y square z at the last, and third value is plus xyz. So xyz here also, so plus 5xyz. Okay. So here when we remove the bracket, the sign of this expression, the terms, the sign of the terms in this expression change. So here also, in case of minus, we must change the sign of this number. So what is the sign now? 4x square y. What is the sign? Plus. So it becomes minus. Okay. So what is the sign of 5xyz? Plus. So it becomes also minus. And what is the sign of 5 minus? So sign is minus, so it also becomes plus. Okay. Now the sign of this value is this one, not plus. Sign of this value is this one. Sign of this value is this one. Okay. And we change the sign of lower row, not upper row. Here minus 2 is there. There is no value, so no need to change the sign of this one. We change the sign in lower row, terms of the lower row. So now what is the answer? So sign of this one is plus, sign of this one is minus. So 9 minus 4. So what is the value? 5. 5x square y. Now plus 5xyz minus 5xyz, same value with different sign, will cut. So there is no value, so minus 2 go down, and sign of this one is plus, so plus 5y square z. What is the answer? 5x square y plus 5y square z minus 2. Okay. I think it is enough for first exercise. The first exercise is very easy. You should do the homework. Now I am give the homework. So homework is first exercise from exponent and power, algebraic expression, right? So homework, first exercise from algebraic expression, that means exercise 5A. Okay, tata.